friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditly Has Plans. In today's video, we're doing a flip through of May 2021 in my Plum Paper 7x9 hourly. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so let's start off with my index page. May is this kind of pretty peach color, and as soon as I saw this, I knew that there were flowers, floral stickers in my Happy Planner Flowers sticker book that I wanted to put on here. This peach and this really darker kind of orangey peach I thought would just look perfect, and I really like the way this came out. Happy Planner has amazing floral stickers, as you know. I love them. I've bought lots of different floral books from them, but this just kind of dresses up my index page. And then looking at the highlights, I used Planner Kate Kit 323. This is her Mother's Day kit. I love the colors. This was so soft. This kind of reminds me of like eucalyptus is what I think this is. And so typically what I do on my highlights pages is I'll put like the monthly kit, the weekly kits, these two little quote boxes here, My Hope Today and I Share Joy. These came from Happy Planner from their wellness sticker book. I picked it up at Michael's at some point in time. And then my projects always go here. Finally checked off the Christmas scrapbook. I got all of my 2020 picture Christmas cards in the little scrapbook. So that's done. I reorganized our attic, got everything put away, kind of tossed out a few things. Like I kind of needed to kind of refresh some of my seasonal decorations. So I was happy about that. Here in my memories, I will go in after this video and kind of write just the highlights or the memories of the month. I like to do that afterwards. And then my currently section, reading, I finished the Blossom Street Brides, and then I had started The Husband's Secret. I have now finished that book because I'm filming this in June. Really good book. I'm a fan of Leanne Moriarty, but this was probably one of my top two favorite books of hers. And then O.C. Swingers is sort of a crime series that I was listening to in May. It's a crime story about I think he's a plastic surgeon, a doctor down in Orange County. Hence the OC, Orange County, California. And then my TV shows, obviously Formula One, watching that season, Cruel Summer, The Handmaid's Tale, The Big Shot, Mighty Ducks. Mighty Ducks I finished now, so that season has done. And then I started a new one on Hulu called Home Economics. This one's so funny. So far I've only watched the pilot episode. I think there's a couple episodes that have come out now I need to catch up on. This one stars Topher Grace, who I think he's adorable. I think he's so cute and so funny. So that's kind of a new series I'm getting into. I did watch a couple of movies. Usually I save this page for any like notes, right? If we have a parent meeting for school or just other kinds of, making phone calls and that kind of stuff. But I didn't have anything for this month. So I just kind of put May movies because I watched The Woman in the Window starring Amy Adams. Really good. I had read this book in a book club that I was in prior to the pandemic, and it was the first book that we had decided to read. It was kind of scary reading, I don't do scary, but it was really good, and the movie follows very closely to the book if you're someone that likes your movies to follow closer to the book. And then Blue Miracle was a movie that I watched. Starring Dennis Quaid, I want to say. That was a really good movie too. So these were both on Netflix. A little bit of the clip art from the kit and just, threw down some extra washi I had. So that's that. And then going into the month spread, this was the first time I actually used the thick washi to cover up the boxes that don't really go with it. These were the dates carrying over from April, and I really liked it. This whole kit is just so beautiful. I just love all of these colors. These are the CLR 3 stickers from Planner Kate. I like to use these in my monthly spreads. The rest of them came from the kit. This is also Planner Kate, just a functional sticker I like to use just to remind myself of Otis's Next Garden Heart Guard. I always do that on the 21st of every month. And then part of why I bought the clip art was because I wanted some of these extra deco pieces. I thought they were so pretty. Scott and I celebrated our 20th wedding anniversary in the month, and I thought this would be really pretty to do that. I love that her monthly kits have the holidays for the month in there. And then I did buy a sheet of PK new release so I can always track her new releases. Over on my sidebar, I always just use some kind of highlighter. This is actually Tombow part of my Tombow pen set. I like to put things in here that happen weekly so that I'm not overcrowding sort of the real estate over here in the monthly spread. So that's kind of how my month looked. We got a lot of birthdays that happened in May. And we got away for a little bit out of town, which was nice. So that's the monthly. This is a dead week. So this week was planned in the previous month. Again, I go by how many of the days in the week are grayed out. And so since more of these dates happened in April, I planned this week in April and not in May. So that's kind of how I do that with the plum. Okay, so the first week of May was Mother's Day weekend, and so I carried on with the same kit. Most of all of this, a lot of this is Planner Kate from the kit itself, but I did pull this little quote, "Grow Your Own Way." This is from my Happy Planner, one of my Stick Babe books. This little taco is also from one of my Happy Planner books. But these little basketballs and the soccer ball are all from Planner Kate. Same with the film edit and upload. And then these little thermometers, these are from Phenix Plans. I get a lot of scripts from Phenix Plans. And then these little tornadoes, we had some really windy days. Like you can see here, it was too windy for me to take a walk. I'm a huge allergy sufferer. And so if it's super windy, I won't go out just because I know it'll just knock me out. So I put these here. I don't track the weather, but I kind of decided because I have some little freebies of weather icons that, you know, on unusual weather days, I'm going to kind of put that down. I think it's kind of neat. So I did that there. And then week 2, this is a Fern Creek Stickers kit. This is kit S08. I loved this kit. Again, I don't know why I love the peaches and the greens. I think I have a lot of peach and green in my book. I think Julie Garza would want to barf all over my book. But I just love that color combo. I love Fern Creek Stickers kits. She does a really great job. Her stickers are just, they have a little bit of whimsy, but sophistication with them at the same time. So a lot of this stuff came from the kit. These are Planner Kate. This is Planner Kate. This is Nicole Hutch Designs. That's Planner Kate. Basketballs again, Planner Kate. This came from the kit. So this is Fern Creek Stickers. Bank. That is one of my scripts from Phenix Plans. These cute little icons came from the kit. And I love, because this is a little planner, it actually has the print of the kit on it, which is super cute. These film edit and uploads are also Planner Kate, just like you saw from the previous week. And again, another budget check. So this weekend, during this week, we had gone up to our cabin up in Truckee. We had a really good time. We met my brother who lives up in Reno. We had dinner with them. And then one of my other brothers, his family came up with us. So it was just super, super fun. I should mention this little recycle icon. I love this little guy. This is from Big Elephant Plans. We recycle every other week. And so this kind of helps me keep track of that. So that's how this week filled out. If you've watched any of my plan with me's, you know my plan with me start out very, very functional. I need to be a functional planner first and foremost. And then as my week goes, I look at where I have my blank spots. And then that's where I like to fill in with kind of that creative kind of deco spirit. So once I kind of saw how my week was going, like I love putting the full boxes in. I love kind of framing them with this thin washi. This thin washi is washi that I picked up from Amazon. It was just like, I don't know, like a 20 roll set. It had like this thin one and then one that's a little bit thicker. I think it was like, is it 5mm and 3mm? Something like that. I can't quite remember. But this was the second week, and then week 3. So this is the first time I've ever used a Nicole Hutch Designs kit. I have a lot of her scripts, but this kit just, I saw all of these bright, deep kind of jewel tone colors, and I loved it. I really wanted to give one of her kits a try. So a lot of this came from her kit, which was great. This is an icon of hers. I use this a lot on my highlights page. This little edit, this is from the film edit and this upload. These are all Planner Kate here. These balloons are Planner Kate, and these heart guard And Flea and Tick Meds, these stickers are from Planner Kate. I got these from one of her sales. But these little icons here all came from the Nicole Hutch Designs kit. Same with the grocery shopping, time to plan, wash the laundry. This True Love Never Ends. So this was Scott and I's anniversary. This actually came from a Chrissy Ann Designs sheet that I had. So I love that this icon here from the kit was like two glasses kind of clinking together. So I thought that was sweet and perfect for the occasion. So that's week 3. Oh, this little circle here, circling our anniversary, that is from an Erin Condren sheet of like little transparent, like date circles, I guess you'd call it. And then this is the last week of May, which was the lemon kit. It's called Citrus. This is a Planner Kate. It's kit 246. I had bought this kit, I think last year, sometime back in 2020, and just been kind of waiting for the right time to use it. A lot of this is Planner Kate, except for I did bring in this sweet little stick babe. I just love these Happy Planner stick babes. They're so darling. They're silly and they're whimsical, and I like that. So not a lot filled in because I did not buy full boxes here. But again, this thermometer is from Phenix Plans. I liked how I kind of like have done this before in the past, and then I kind of go away from it and I come back. I love having these little to-dos, kind of going across the bottom of my page and putting these check boxes in. That's kind of cool. If you watched the plan with me, I struggled with this down here. The washi wasn't kind of the right proportion. I ended up trimming it down. Like I kind of struggled with it a little bit, but I'm glad that I did because I do like the way this ended up looking. I love that I kind of framed it with the washi and then again with the thicker washies. So that's kind of fun. And then again, my recycled icon is from Big Elephant Plans. And then this family time is from a sheet that I have from Chrissy Ann Designs. But pretty much this stuff came from the kit here, these little scripts here. So yeah, that is the last week in May. And then again, another dead week because most of this week was grayed out and part of June. So you'll see that week planned in my June. And then moving on to, here's like a note page again. Like I was saying, if I actually have to take notes, I will. So I was pricing out a new tire for my car because I had run over some kind of nail or screw, and I did plug it, but it kept leaking. So I ended up just buying a new tire, and then I had scheduled a chiropractor appointment. I was looking for a chiropractor for Emma. But onto my monthly cleaning page. So this is an add-on that is dispersed in each month of my book. I used washi from that Planner Kate Mother's Day kit. This is a little Planner Kate icon that I have. And then these are just that CLR3, that kind of basic event label that I love to use. All of these scripts here are from Phenix Plans. And friends, she now has, I did another sticker haul not long ago. She now has like all of, like she added dust. She has all of the things that you need if you're following the Clean Mama routine like I am. So it's just awesome. These little icons are also from Phenix Plans. And then this is a little doodle girl from Planner Kate. This is another icon from Phenix Plans. And again, if you use that code bit.ly15, you'll get 15% off your order. And we have a little freebie. I should show you that. I have a little freebie with her that you'll also get. So this is what it looks like. Isn't that cute? Couple of little icons and then a couple of my favorite scripts here. Okay, so again, this is just finishing out the rest of the weeks. So what I do is the daily tasks and the weekly tasks for the given week. And then down here at the end, I do the rotating tasks on one side and then the monthly focus. So for the month of May, the monthly focus was the garage and basement. I don't have a basement, which is why I did my attic space where I keep all of my holiday decorations. I was really excited because I have like a little corner of the garage that's kind of my domain, and it did need to be cleaned up. Like I wiped down my washer and dryer. I threw out some old cleaning supplies. I kind of got everything organized. I can reach things now. I'm a shorty, so reaching shelves up above my washer and dryer are kind of hard for me. Scott had already done the rest of the garage, which he had done a really good job on. So now I feel like our garage is like complete, like it feels organized and like manageable. So that's my monthly cleaning. This little icon here is also a Planner Kate. Okay, and then my social media. So if you've seen any of those planning videos, you know that I have an Erin Condren, I think this was like the floral design that I am not using. So what I do is I snip out the monthlies, I plop them into my Plum Paper planner, and this is how I plan out my social media. I try to post videos on Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Over here in the sidebar, I'm kind of tracking my growth, just seeing how things are going. Like I said, this is fun for me. I love all of the new planner friends I've made, and I'll continue to do this so long as you guys want me to. And so if I keep growing, I'll keep at it. And then if you guys get tired of me, you can just let me know. But what I really focused on, kind of the first couple days of May, I realized, hey, I need to challenge myself. I really need to try to post something on Instagram every day. And so right around the 3rd is when I challenged myself to do that. And I'm so proud because after the 3rd, I did post something. And look, I even did twice here on this day and here. I did a post and a story, except for the 25th. This was the only day that I couldn't get to it, but I'm so excited. I had a Zoom call with Gabriella from Gabriella Plans It. She's an awesome planner, a friend of mine, and so you need to check her out if you're not already checking out her videos and subscribe to her. I have a link to her channel on my channel's homepage. She kind of just gave me some good basics about Instagram, and we talked about her Instagram strategy, and so it just really encouraged and inspired me to try to get more into Instagram. It's something that I'm still learning. I like still struggle with how do I put the cute like effects and the text and all of that stuff. But I'm learning to use Canva along with it. So I'm getting there, friends. But I had a really fun milestone. I reached 400 subs on the 27th. I put a little arrow here because I didn't have room since I posted so much. Subscribers on YouTube. So that was super, super fun for me. So that's just how I kind of do the month at a glance and track my things I'm posting. And then here, this is the to-do add-on page. I'll show you it. To-do list, right? And so again, like my monthly page, I did it as one dispersed page in every month of my planner. And then what I do is I create this little grid. I'm just using a gray Papermate Flare pen here. I've got these scripts from Planner Kate. This is some leftover washi from a Monarch Plans kit. And again, just those same Planner Kate, just open event labels. This is from Planner Kate. The scripts here, social media and YouTube, these are from Big Elephant Plans. And so I write down all of my sort of planning videos and extra videos that I plan on doing. Like I always try to do a flip through of the previous month. I'm going to do a video of any kind of haul I might get, whether that's stickers, pens, planners, notebooks, whatever, and any other kind of content that I have. And I do, just a running checklist. Did I film it? Did I edit it? Has it been uploaded? Did I do the thumbnail? And then what is the day that it's going to go live? Because usually I'll upload everything and then I schedule it. That way I'm not like uploading things live on the day that it's supposed to hit. And then down here, I'm just using this area to kind of keep track of content ideas, whether it's things I come up with or things that you all as my friends watching my channel are like, hey, I'd love to see how you do this, or hey, I'd love to see that. So I'm just kind of trying to keep a running list of ideas. And my budget dashboard was one that friends said they wanted to see from my budget planning. And so I finally actually did that in the month of May. And I got good feedback. So thank you for that. So that's sort of my social media tracking, and then just kind of the back page of that. So that's kind of it. That was the month of May. Yeah, so we are into June, and I think at the end of the month, kind of sometime in July, I might do like a mid-year check-in, not of the monthlies, because you see that in each of my flip-throughs, but just kind of some of the planning pages at the beginning of my planner. So anyways, that's it for this video, friends. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.